Yo, what is up, guys? Blake here, back again with another video. Today, I really want to just intro who I am, what I do, and really what I want to bring to you guys with YouTube and what I want to upload more of, and honestly, just who I am in general, because I feel like I have not introduced myself. A few of my videos, I know you guys have been really interested in them, especially the Dr. Spiller video. It has gained a lot of traction, which I'm super thankful for. I hope that has added a lot of value to you guys. I am Blake Carter. I am 20 years old. I have 11 months of trading experience. I live in St. Louis, Missouri, a suburb. Well, it's, yeah, a suburb, about 30 minutes outside. It is west of St. Louis. Sorry, it's like 3 a.m. right now, but west of St. Louis. I lived here for nearly my entire life. I love it here. I did live in North Carolina and I've lived in Florida. But Missouri has treated me great. I've learned all my life lessons here. Thankful for everything that has led up to this day. But also, I'm not just a Forex trader. Again, I only started that about 11 months ago. I'm also an inventor, entrepreneur, and the reason I am doing this video at 3 a.m. is because I'm catching a flight to China in about 2 hours, which I'm super pumped for. Also, that's going to be great talking manufacturing with some Chinese factories, engineering, finishing up designs, patents. So that's great. I'm super excited to talk to you guys about that also. Not sure when I'm going to bring that up. I don't know if I want it to be super public yet, but it's definitely in the works, and I'm excited to talk to you guys about it. I will bring it to you guys. I want it to be on the shelves and possibly not in my hands anymore when I do bring that up to you guys. So I'm not sure when that's going to be, but just know I do have that in the works. And today, after I introduce myself, which I feel like I've done pretty much, I mean, there's not too much. Obviously, there's more that I could go in depth, but I don't want to bore you to death. Today, I want to talk about, honestly, the easiest way to trade Forex. From my 11 months trading experience, the thing that I found over and over and over and over happen in the market is break and retest. On every single time frame, this repeats itself hundreds, if not thousands, of times per week. It's ridiculous. So I just want to go ahead and share my screen, and I want you to really, really pay attention to this, because if you have been tuning in to the Dr. Spiller strategy, I've already talked about this. You combine everything together, it will take you further and further than you would ever imagine yourself as a Forex trader. It's so simple, okay? It's so simple. But the reality is, we also must maintain our emotional discipline. Look right here. Here's an example, okay? This is how easy it is, guys. And I am gonna back test this a little, probably about 5 minutes of it. I'll show you an example first, and then we're gonna replay, do a little bit of replay mode, so you guys can get some firsthand experience of really what goes on when I'm trying to catch a trade. Okay, so check this out. We got some. We have a ceiling here, ceiling here. This is on the 15-minute. A lot of people like to trade this on the 1 hour. If you went on the 1 hour, this would be a stronger resistance. Look right here. Okay, let's go over here. Look at that. Okay, so we have a big ceiling right here, resistance. Breaks it. We're looking for a retest to get on the entry. So I like to go on the 15-minute, because even on the 15-minute, you know, this is obviously a solid resistance. So I go down to the 15-minute, bam, bam, bam. We got like 10 touches here. Then we finally had this crazy warrior candle. I like to call it a warrior candle because it broke the barrier, and that's telling us, okay, retest is coming. So here we got our retest. So we had the ceiling break with the warrior candle and retest. okay? So we have our entry to go long. And I like to have a very, I don't go for much in the market. I'm a very big scalper. I'm in and out. That is what I like. I've liked that for a very long time. I've tried some swing trading. I don't know. There's just something about it. So usually it'll fill this wick, okay? So this massive candle, that's where my TP is. You know, I don't like to be greedy, so I mean, I'll do like halfway above, like, you know, halfway point of the wick or at the top of the wick, whatever. If it broke and retested, it's probably going to go above it. But even then, I don't really care because I'm not going for a ton of pips, okay? Even 25 pips is a lot for me. I like to go for like 10 or 12. Maybe 15, depends on how long it takes to for that to happen. And usually it's about a 10 pip stop loss. The way I see to do my stop loss is I do this zone, okay? So look, we have this ceiling over here. Then we have another fresh zone. We have this wick right here. And then I had this wick that it, you know, pushed in. I like to think of it as a trampoline, okay? So you have the trampoline, and it pushed in, and it bounced right back up. Pushed in, bounced right back up, and closed way above it. So then I'm looking for an entry after, you know, usually like after this, it did touch it right here on this candle. Oh, let me cancel this real quick. On this candle right here, you know, it did touch the resistance as a newfound floor, so-called support, and respected it nicely. So even then, you could enter there with a 10-12 pip stop loss. You be good. No. Okay, if you did 12 pip stop loss, you would have got stopped out. Okay. So, you know, for instance, I mean, personally, I might have got stopped out, but I would have entered again. Then over here, you see right here. Okay, then that's obvious. That wick. Enter at the close of this candle, have a 10 pip stop loss, and you gained all, you know, 2 right there. So you lost 12 pips if you would have entered after that first rejection candle. You know, it's not even about rejection candles. It's about touching the price action, price point of that zone. So once it goes in that zone, you enter and have 10, 12 pip stop loss. And if it goes your way, it goes your way. The probability is it's going your way. Look, it went up like 70 pips, 60 pips. But it's about getting the high probability stop loss also. That matters just as much as high probability take profit. So obviously the long, which is a buy, is way more probable than a short here because it's a break retest. That's the easiest strategy, in the foreign exchange. I truly believe that because it happens time and time again. So after this rejection candle, this is a beautiful push in. I like to call that a trampoline wick. Literally, I made that word up. But I literally just like to call it. It's like a trampoline. It's like a beer belly. You know, you can push it in, but it's always gonna come back out. It's weird. I'm weird, but so yeah, bam, bam, bam. You know, you lost your 12 pips and you gained 24 up to this ceiling right here. And you know, you already made 2 ROI right there. Okay, so let's do some replay mode back here. I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. I just want to bar fight, what? Bar replays. Hold on. I don't know what's good. Oh, now that is new. Bar replay. Pro plus members. Daily, weekly. Okay. Let's do the daily. whatever, because it's the same exact thing. Okay. Alright. So we have our zones. Dude, there's so many. I don't even know what that is. Anyways, we have our zone. Major zone up here. Okay. See if it touches it. Anyways, we don't look like much is going on right now, okay? So let's mark up our previous support and resistance. Okay, so obviously we have some right here. Let's go ahead and delete that. And we have the last is right there, okay? Let it fall, let it fall. Okay, so right now, we just came back and bounced it. Looks like it's still rejecting it, respecting it. Beautiful. Look, it just respected again. Beautiful zone. Okay, so now I want it to break and retest one of these zones. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. We have a newfound zone right here that has been founded. Again, this is on the daily. I'm not going to be doing this off the daily. I go for 10 pips. But this is doable on every single time frame. Let's check this right here. Look, we even have some a ceiling right here. Broke down here. Respected again. It's coming back. You know, you could wait for one more candle, but it looked like it's already respected it. Let's see what happens. And it's on a pretty solid uptrend. So, all right. So I had what is that? Oh Lord. Okay. Three pips. 3 pips too tight. But you can see it. It's absolutely beautiful. It works. You know, it's all about getting the right stop loss. You know, most people, they're not going to admit this, but they don't even use the stop loss with this because it's so probable. They're going to have a manual stop loss where if they see the market has moved too much, they're going to get out manually. But I don't do that. I want to protect my account, my equity, even if I lose. Okay, if I lost this trade, I don't care. If my stop loss was a little too tight, I learned from it, okay? Because look what it did. It did exactly what I said it was going to do, and I didn't even, again, you watch me replay this. The market does the same thing over and over and over and over. It's clockwork. It literally is clockwork. Just like the clock right here, it says 2:40, 2:47. It's going to say that tomorrow too. Twice. This is going to happen over and over and over. So that's an example. I don't want this video to go overboard. I think it's already been a while. I don't know how long it's been. It's probably been 15, 20 minutes. But you guys get the strategy. I'm sure you already know about it. But I just wanted to remind you, don't overcomplicate it. This is Forex. It's simple. It's lines. It's break and retest over and over and over again. Okay? I love you guys. I'm so thankful to add value to you. I hope this did help you out in some way. Maybe you had a breakthrough. I hope you had a breakthrough, a paradigm shift. I hope it was great for you. And I should be uploading this. When this is uploaded, I will be on the plane to China. I don't know how much I'm going to be recording or uploading next week while in China. But I will definitely be back the week after that. Let's see the calendar. I get back the 19th. Okay, so that's Friday. I'll probably upload next weekend, so the 20th or 21st. Just with some updates, what happened in China, how it went, some of my favorite memories. And just really maybe do a more personal video rather than going over Forex. So I'm looking forward to that because I want you guys to get to know me. Leave a like, subscribe, whatever you guys want in return for this. If I did add value, please let me know. If you didn't like it, please let me know. What could I have done better? Again, I'm not an expert, not a financial advisor. I'm 11 months in. You guys are on this journey with me, okay? I'm not a seven-figure earner. I'm not a six-figure trader, but I'm on my journey just as we all are. I'm not here to flex. I'm here to be real with you guys. I want to be transparent. That is my goal in life, and I want to love deeply and add value and help you guys and share my journey and document it and look back on it. So I'm thankful, I'm excited, and I will be talking to you soon.